All right. What's up, y'all? How's y'all day? How's y'all session? Y'all take any trades? I'm trying to figure out what DXY might do. Right now is I'm kind of like bearish on DXY, but at the same time I'm paying attention to this down candle before this up move. This is like the lowest down candle right here, so it could come deep into here before it might potentially move back up. But since we're in here, I wanted to see it come at least to the open, at least right around here. Yeah, at least down here inside of this array. I was kind of bearish on it on DXY, on the dollar, and I was gonna try to buy EU once price got into here to see how price would do. I wanted to see price actually kind of respect this order block before I made my next decision on kind of like buying EU. But right now, I'm kind of in like a uh, um sitting on my hands type of, I'm just sitting on my hands right now because it's not inside. It didn't come deep enough into this array right now, and then I also want to sell from here. So this is basically like my range of opportunity right now. But if like you go to like the 4 hour, this is your full swing right here. So anything in between this could be like internal liquidity to be taken out. So these lows could be taken out paired with buys inside of this array right here. So like if you look at EU, if you look at EU, you can see EU took out this old these weekly lows, daily lows, high what is it? What's the word? Higher time frame lows, right? I took that out. I took buys inside of here last week, and I was expecting us to come up here, which it kind of did. It actually did tap into this 4 hour order block right here. It came into the open. Got a good reaction. Hold on, let me see. So like I was expecting buys right here to at least get up into like this premium array. And I also have the area like when you look at DXY, that range. I'm also looking at this too. This is the 62% ICT's OTE. So I was looking inside of there plus the order block, and there's a hidden order block right here. So I was looking inside of here to potentially take sales. I think the better sales would come inside of here. It's here, but I'm still paying attention to this area right now. And I kind of like the yo, what's good, y'all?
Yay! Yay! Uh-huh. Good boy. Good boy.
Hey, bet.
Uh-huh.
You mute yourself for me, bro?
Uh-huh. Uh-huh. Uh-huh.
Appreciate you.
I will.
Well, probably not. I did it for you guys. All right, but yeah, I like the reaction here. If you guys like want to speak, go on and speak, but if you got like background shit going on, what I'm saying, just I would appreciate if you just mute yourself, you know what I'm saying, or keep yourself muted. But I like the reaction that's going on right here. Let me see how down on the lower time frame. Daily opens here. Accumulation. This could be a manipulation to continue back down, at least to take out this liquidity here or get down here. It's Monday, so I'm kind of being a little bit more patient, to be honest. Price is inside of this breaker and it tapped into this FEG. So like, I kind of want to like start stocking sales down there. Yeah, to at least get down here. but I want to see how I want to enter this. I might wait until this low is broken here. Yeah, I might wait until this low is broken and wait for like a OTE retracement, which I'm probably might not get today, depending on what happens. It might be like a London close setup, but yeah, I would like to see this down, this right here get broken. Now, if you really trust this as the high of the day or whatever, you could, after this candle closes here, you could wait until price pulls back just a little bit and enter off of here and keep your stops above the breaker and this old high right here, and then targets below. Take partials here right before it gets to this discount array, and then you could take more partials here. So take a good amount of partials here, and then a lot more here. If you really think this could be high. Right now, I don't know. Like I said, I want to see this low break right here because they sold to buy right here. So I would like to see this break as a this is like a minor right here. This full swing right here. This is major structure based off of this 15-minute time frame right here. Like inside of here, this little down move right here, this base, that's like minor structure. So I do want to see this minor structure get broken and then possibly take a OTE and then keep my stops. Same thing, keep my stops above. And then targets would be same targets. I like this right here. You can see this breaker. So you have this breaker right here that created a manipulation right here. So on a higher time frame, on the hourly, this is a full down candle, as you can see, as you saw. And then you have a clear BISI right here that created this imbalance, a clean move. And once it comes back in here, it might be some good buys in here. So that's why I would take partials. If you were to take a sell right here, it's good to take partials around here inside of this breaker because price could come and react inside of here and then push up into a higher premium. You know what I'm saying? It could push up into a higher premium and then it could sell off right after it pushes up into the higher premium. So you just want to be safe. You know what I'm saying? When you take logical areas to take profit because, you know, you don't want to be in profit and it comes to a logical area where you could have partialed out at and it comes back and stops you out or hits you out at break even. You wasted all your time. You wasted all your time on this trade, not paying yourself. You know what I mean? So, yeah. Let me see gold real quick. Gold. I wanted to see gold come back into this area of imbalance right here from the bottom of this wick to the top. I wanted to see gold come into here, rebalance this, and see what price would do. My draw on liquidity right now is this has been my draw on liquidity since we were like over here, and I was expecting this to get ran out, but it came and respected this up candle right here and gave really good sells on gold. But here, let me check this out. But I'm expecting us to get up into here. That's what I'm expecting. I don't think sales here is high probable if you're looking for sales inside of anywhere inside of here right now. Even if it gave you your model, whether it was OTE or with a Quasimodo, you know what I'm saying, whatever model is yours, even if you got that, I would risk a little less inside of this area because it's more probable to me for us to take this out. You know what I mean? So I'd rather watch this get taken out first and then for price to potentially come up into here and respect this or come up into a higher premium and then potentially start going down. Start going down and then come into this.
ايوه تقول مرة. It's
What's up?
recording.
What's up, bro? But yeah, for it to come back into this discount array, this order bullish order block, you have liquidity resting. right above it. So this is a really keen area, all based off the weekly time frame. But this is too much forecasting. This is just a, you know what I'm saying, forecasting. I like to just wait to see what price does and then react, go along with what price is doing. US 30, y'all like indices? US 30. All right, so y'all see this right here, right? All right, so we got this trend line going on right now. And so everybody's moving their stop losses. Retail traders are like straight smashing this shit right now. So I'm not gonna say that, you feel me, we're gonna come upset this once we come back down. We're gonna upset all these buyers right here. I'm not gonna say that. I'm not gonna forecast that, but I do expect this to be upset eventually, right? When we come back down into this bullish order block, this is like a 4-hour order block. You have to be kind of weary. You got to be a little bit careful because of what's going on right here. You know what I mean? So I do like this area, how it has sell side liquidity. They bought right here. So this right here, damn, somebody's phone going. Hey, bro, can you mute yourself for me? I appreciate that. If you want to speak, bro, you can mute yourself at any time, bro. But if you got background shit. But yeah, I like this sell side liquidity right here. And I want to see price come into here. And then potentially, I'm waiting for a lot more confirmation. I would like to see this be respected and for it to be clean. I don't want to see no anything choppy going on inside of here. I don't want to see any of that because all of this can get upset. Like US 30 has me going up, 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 up. They've been buying here. You know what I mean? They've been buying, right? Now, I'm not going to call the market and just say, like I said, this is going to just, tank like this. You know what I mean? Tank like this, but I do at least want to see this low get taken out before going. So like if price does come lower like this, I'm gonna be bearish for the time being. I'm gonna be bearish. But if price does come back above this high and it closes very nicely above that high, then I'll go back bullish relative to this time frame. Because all they gotta do is take out this low if they want to. You know what I mean? Because everybody's trailing their stop loss every time price goes up, breaking retest, they're trailing their stop losses. So yeah, so I'm paying attention to this area still, see what happens. If it crashes through, I'm bearish, and I would expect us to go lower, at least maybe to here, and come down into a deeper discount based off the daily time frame. So from this range, from high to low, down here would be discount. It could just come to this order block right here if it wants to. But yeah, I would like to see prices be respected once he gets into here, or price to eventually come into here, at least a discount. All right, let's check EU. Back on EU. Let's see EU again. Yeah, so you see what I was talking about? How if you really think this is gonna be the high, you could just take an entry right here. Because this should be a fresh order block that just got created right here. So you could, if take an entry here and keep your stops above this FEG plus this breaker. You know what I mean? And then yeah, targets. I want to see this get taken out. If it wasn't Monday, I probably would have took this trade like this. Was this OT of this range? Let me see. Yes, an OT. Yeah, if this was a lot cleaner, like say I did something like this and it was like a clean move like that, I would like that. I don't like how I did like this. I don't like it like that based off the lower time frame. But like based off the 15-minute, um, hourly, 30-minute, this right here, I like this. Just as a fresh order block that just got created based off the reaction of this and for us to push lower. But yeah, I'm gonna just sit on my hands for right now. Are you guys in any trades? Hey guys, feel free to speak. Yeah, I ain't gotta just listen to my ass. Oh man, or chat. You feel me? Type in the chat. You got any pairs that y'all want to look at? I'm just looking at EU, gold, and US 30. I'm gonna eat my food though. I got some food. I got a sandwich. You guys have any questions? Anybody got any questions? Anybody relatively new to like these concepts or you know, or any questions on my approach? Hey, yo, y'all can hear me, right? Y'all can hear me. I hope this whole time y'all haven't been able to hear me. Just type in the chat for me. Somebody tell me you can at least hear me. That would be a fucking bummer. No cap. Cornelius, can you hear me? I hear your mic. It's just so weird,
Yeah,
bro.
bro, we can hear
Oh,
you.
okay, I was about to say, bro. I was
Nah,
about
I
to
uh
say,
I
bro.
got a pending order on EU on the
Yeah.
5 minute, but I feel like I might have gotten swerved. I was
Fuck.
looking at
Mm.
a breaker on the 5 minute and fair value gap. I
Uh,
had it at 1.1575
can you
two
send a trading
ticks.
view chart? I can pull it up.
Say it again?
Can you send a trading view chart so I can pull it up? See how you got my
Yeah, I got you.
all right.
Uh, I sent in a little chat on Zoom.
All right, bet. All right, right here. Okay. Yeah. What it looks like it did just came in a rebalance. This right here. You know you're gonna miss these sometimes.
Yeah, I feel like I might have defined it too much. I didn't peep that hourly, honestly.
Yeah.
The order block, I saw the order block in like 30 minute, but not the hour. I'm like,
Oh,
I
you
might have
so
refused.
you seen what I was talking about?
Yeah, I saw.
Yeah. Yeah.
I saw a little too late though, but yeah, fine.
Yeah. So you want to see price just respect this full up candle. If price starts closing weird inside of it, even like the 30-minute start closing weird, not rejecting it at all, you can kind of like cut your lots or whatever. If you were to take this trade. You see NAS. Bro, I kind of like what NAS is doing right now. So right here, what I'm waiting for is for price to take out this internal liquidity right here, and then maybe come back. I mean, this is the highest up candle right here, the one that with the highest. So once it takes this out, it's already inside of my array. Now, a lot of people, you could like, refine it all the way to like this candle right here, but this is like your real order block right here. So this is your range from this low to this high. I actually want to see NAS get up into here. When weekly open had happened, you see how they gap down. So usually when they gap down, they're kind of giving you that direction that they want to go. So I think that they do want to take this to the downside, whether they want to rate this again and then go higher, then go lower, or respect this. No, I think they might respect this once they come into here. And that's exactly what I want to see. I want to see price come into this area supply and then give a entry model or something to show me that it wants to go lower, that is respecting this area, and then target is lower or whatever. But this is what I want to see. People might want to take a sell limit rate, but I don't want to take no, bro. Your stop loss is gonna be so huge, and at the same time, you don't have confirmation that this order block isn't gonna hold. You're going off of hope. No, I don't like going off of hope when I'm trading, hoping that something holds. Like, no, you feel me? So I like to wait for like more confirmation. If price can take out this low, I'll be more inclined to maybe sell if it's above here. Refine it a little bit up here. Maybe come back to this down candle before these two up candles right here. This range. Tap into here. I'm gonna keep my stops above here still. That's if the price action is still cool, but the way it already came into this order block, so it might just drop from here and start coming towards sell side liquidity. That's resting right inside. GU, yeah, GU. I don't like. I would rather sell GU than buy GU right now because we left in this daily low right here. Now, even though I would rather sell, you can't. I can look for buys, but I just don't know yet. Could be something once it comes into this busy right here, this inefficiency. Could be something once it comes into there. You could mark out the order block and then mark out this low right here, and you could wait for this deep discount. But I wouldn't even want to see it come back down there, to be honest. Because let me see DXY. Bullish GU. That means I should be bearish DXY. So I would like to see DXY come into here or take out these highs before I start buying GU or buying EU. So these are my rules right now. If I don't get this, I'm sitting in my hands. So right now, I see DXY buying. and I can see EU selling off. We got some news. I think it already dropped. Already happened. I think it was like Government Bailey. Yeah, Governor Bailey. FOMC. So that's after London closed. Yeah, that's after London closed anyway. Right here, that's wait, what? 3:30. Okay, so this is in like 15 minutes right here. So should start seeing some movement around here around this time. You still got ECB, whoever this is speaking. So the question is this high gonna hold? Is this high gonna hold? That's it. There's some confluence in here for it to hold and then possibly drop. I'm gonna wait for extra confirmation. I'm wait for this to break. And then a retracement. Maybe to come back to this bearish order block on a 30-minute. But we might not get that, like I said, based off of this.
Did you say you were looking at NAS shorts or
Yeah,
self?
potentially. Yeah, looking at NAS. I just want to see it get up into at least the top of this. Here, let me mark it back out. I don't know why I deleted it. Okay, no, never mind. I didn't delete it. But yeah, here.
Oh, I see it.
Yeah. I want to see it get respected though. Like usually, like right here, how they gapped it for the weekly open. Usually when they gap it in a certain direction, that's where they want to go. They come and fill it, and then they go lower, right? So, and then based off of this fractal, right, it just looks very clean. Based off of this fractal to sell lower, we're at a premium, right? Now it's not easy to sell NAS, but based off of like what's going on here and the fact that we didn't commit to any type of really good discount rates, I think we could sell off from this array right here. So yeah.
Yeah, I see what you're saying.
So EU coming back up. It's coming back into that 30-minute order block right here.
Yeah, my limit just got tagged in, so I'm sells now.
Yeah. Yeah, hopefully this high can hold. As long as you got it kind of above this fair value gap, it could come up and like tap into it again and continue. But the goal was to hopefully it can respect this bearish order block. But the way it's moving like this, it doesn't look like it's gonna hold it as much, but you still have this 30-minute order block. So you want to see some rejection inside of here. Ten minutes before this close. At least some good rejection. So it came and bounced off a weekly open price. It's coming up a little bit. Yeah. Weekly open prices and daily open prices have a lot of sensitivity on it. You'll see a lot of reaction at those prices.
For the weekly open, do you use midnight on Monday or do you use like
I don't
Sunday?
I use Sundays weekly price, Sundays open.
Okay.
Yeah, that actual candle. And then for like, the regular days for like daily opens and stuff, I use the midnight. Let's go to a lower time frame and see what it's doing. So it would be nice for this candle to be taken out here aggressively. Yeah, that would be nice. 5 minute. No. Yeah, the same candle right here. Respecting this 30-minute order block. Even though I didn't break this area right here, I can still sell out. I just wanted to see this break before I entered, especially since I'm not completely comfortable with this area right here. Not completely. This was Tuesday. I probably would have took this though, and just accepted the risk. You gotta accept the risk. Let's go DXY. Let's see what DXY doing. So like DXY, yeah, I'm going to deeper into this bearish order block. Let's go. Open of it. You need to turn on some lofi music. This one will be vibe. Yeah. I think I got Spotify. Hold on. Log into my Spotify. When y'all be able to hear my Spotify? Daniel, when you be able to hear my Spotify or something? If I turn on some music. I don't want it too loud though, but like, just turn on. I can't hear it. No. No, I didn't turn it on yet. I was just wondering if you would be able to. Maybe next time I'll figure out all those mechanics out and shit. Yeah, gold's still going higher. I'm sitting on my hands with gold for right now. Well, I'm sitting on my hands for everything right now, to be honest. To be honest. See this gear. They built up all this low resistance liquidity right here and liquidity down here, possibly ran. Can you zoom in 15 minutes? Yeah, I'm gonna be on here for another 40 minutes or so. But I'm gonna reset the Zoom. I'm gonna reset it so you guys can join back in. I'll put the relink into there. Yeah, so this is nice right now. This is nice. Nice candle close. Come back into this order block. And then go lower. It never broke above this daily order block's high though, too. I mean, not daily, or I said daily, this hourly order block's high. But yeah, let's reset the Zoom real quick and then we get back into this shit. I'll repost the link in my Telegram.
God damn.
Five minute. 3 minute. So you want to see this hold now? This right here. This should be your expectation. This range to hold. if you didn't get an entry and you're comfortable with this high being held as your context, I would have entered here with my stops above here. And then I'm managing risk if it breaks above this newly formed potential order block and closes above it. No, you could, a lot of people that could be aggressive and you put your stops here, but that's not, that's too, I think that's too aggressive. You put your stops above here or above this FEG, whichever place, you can put it above here. I use a calculated lot size, so I manage my stop losses a little differently than people who use fixed lot sizes. So this is what it would look like to trade. First trade on the hourly, if you didn't get that one, based off of this order block right here, your entry will be here and then stops above. You got a better entry here, better refined entry right here with stops above. If price breaks above here, you could just cut down your lots. Your lot sizes take very small losses. I took 3 losses last week and I had 4 wins last week, and 3 losses with a 1% risk for each one. I lost about 0.25 with one. Another one I lost 0.50, and then another one I lost 1%, the full 1%. And basically just from doing this right here. And then my wins were like 2R, 3R. The risk reward could have been better with those wins, but I was taking profits around logical areas, and if I didn't do that, then I wouldn't I wouldn't have been up for the week if I wasn't doing that. So once we break this low and this low, you can move your stop. You can move your stop loss halfway to like right here once you break this low and this low. Or this low, whichever you're comfortable with. But right here, I will move once we take out this low, I'm moving my stops above that freshly made order block right here. I'm moving it above here. That way you took half of your risk off the table, logically, because we took out this low. That makes sense. Yeah. First target would be these lows right here. So like a 1 to 3. 1 to 3. And then rest of your targets would be down here, in here, and then in here, or wherever you would like it. This is just your range of opportunity right here. So you could get a full 7R. So I would take partials here. You could take partials at after it takes out this low right here, like I don't want it to be safe. That would be like a safest target to grab money out the market, but I will hold it to here and then partial out. I would just break even after we take out not break even, but move my stops after we take out this low. And then once we come lower, you could just break even if you want to. After you take out this low, you could break even if you want to, or this low. But I'm gonna move my stops to have a little bit more room for the trade to breathe if I was in this trade. See DXY real quick. DXY, I swear DXY looks like it wants to run this low, come deeper. It looks like. That's why EU kind of annoying to me right now. just this right here. We already tapped into here, but little SMT on DXY and EU. I'll post this shit on my YouTube. So hey, YouTube, I didn't take this trade. This is just if I was to take this trade, entry, stop loss, how I would manage it. But this is a trade that I would take if it was like a regular day that I like, and if I was comfortable with what it's doing and DXY together, intermarket analysis. Right now, I'm not comfortable with it because of DXY, what DXY is doing, and how DXY never came into the area that I wanted to come into. It did come into this order block, that 4-hour order block, but I wanted to see it at least get to like the open, at least the open. And it doesn't have to do that. It could just play off this order block. But if you look at a lower time frame, I still don't like it as much. Look at that hourly order block. It didn't even make an hourly order block like EU did. So, but yeah, still valid, still can move. This would be clean, so clean if DXY did come into my array. I would have loved to take this. You still in this? Cornelius, you still in this? Yo, OT, not yo, OT, when they came back to the breaker. You know what I mean? Are you got anybody else in any are you guys in some trades? Or you guys are stocking something? What you guys hunting? You guys looking at EU? What's up? Chat with me. Chat with me. Chat with me. Let's see what NAS doing real quick. Ooh, look at NAS. Yeah, look at NAS. Hell yeah. You got long EU short. Yeah, look at this is what I wanted to see. Let's take this shit out. So nice. Yeah, CME open. That's what this is. Stock market open. Oh yeah, let's see what NAS does. I like this. Like what it's doing. I just want to see it hold a little bit more. Let's go back to EU. So with EU, like it's still respecting this right here. So remember I said, yeah, expectation should be for this to be respected right here. Even though this is an order block, you want to see this up candle get respected because this was newly formed and it came deep into your original one. So you want to see this get respected, but it would be nice to not see this chop around too long and to actually get down to some sell side liquidity. That would be nice. But risk, like I said, risk management standpoint, we take out this order block, it's invalidating this bearish order block, the whole right here. It's invalidating. Yeah, it could wick up into it, and then drop after that. But your expectation should be for this to hold. And if it breaks above that, you could cut some of your risk down. So if you have like on one lot in, you could cut it down to a 0.5, you know, 0.5 mini lot instead. If it comes in,
That's how I was tracking it too. I was thinking if it broke that little high, if that was like maybe some inducement,
yeah,
I
hell
was
yeah,
probably gonna take half off.
yeah, hell yeah. Because
But
like if you do this, all your trades that you're taking, if you're doing this, you're at least losing. If you even if you put the whole trade out, you're at least losing 0.5% if you're doing a 1% risk to a 0.75% risk. So if you're cutting your losses small, say your maximum loss is a 0.75%, right? And you do that 25, 50, 4 trades, you get an extra 1% that you saved. You know what I mean? Out
yeah,
of 4 trades that you do that. So in the long run, if you do that for a month, you know what I mean? 4 trades, a month or more, however many trades you take to a year, how much did you just save yourself from losing? How much money? You know what I mean? Just from doing this. Right. And plus you're taking out the you're putting the probabilities more in your favor of you winning, right? Of you making money. Because if it takes out this high, it's more of a probability that it's gonna hit your stop loss, right?
yeah,
So now
yeah,
you're taking that and you're using that to where like, okay, I could keep the probabilities in my favor, keep my losses short, and then when you're in profit, you know what I'm saying? You're gaining a lot more from your losses. You're gaining a lot more. What's the word? What's the word? Where you're taking advantage of your profit too. You're taking more of advantage of your profit.
mhm.
I forgot the word. I got a brain for it, but
Leveraging your profits.
it's more like you're cutting your risk and you're taking more out of your profit. So whenever it's going more in your favor, right? So let's say it takes out this low, you're still moving your stop loss. You know what I'm saying? You're letting it run. You're letting your profit run. You know what I mean? You're taking partials, letting it run. But when it's going against you, you got to do the same thing on the defensive end. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Whatever you do on the offensive end, you got to put the same energy into the defensive end, right? This is your defensive end. This is your center right here. This fucking 3-minute order block. That's your center.
I
That's
just
what you
want
want
this
to
to
expect out.
drop, man.
Yeah. Yeah.
But I see that we have Powell speaking at 10:30, so I don't know if they're
Yeah.
trying to like consolidate price till he comes on or something.
The nice thing about this though is that your daily open is here, right? We did come lower, and this is like an accumulation, right? So
Mhm.
accumulation, manipulation, distribution. So this is
Distribution.
kind of like accumulation, and then you have your manipulation, and you might get your distribution. So ICT's open, high, low, close. Um, this is what the context that I have in mind. Let me do this. This is the context. So this is your daily open. Put that at a 4. All right. Daily open, high right here, and then low right here, and then possible close. Uh, goddamn. I could have did this a lot better. Actually, I can do this a lot better. I'm tripping, y'all. So boom, like this, and then close. So this it doesn't have to play out specifically like this, but this is my what I'm thinking. I don't know why I put that on. It looks something like this. Open eye, low close. So like this, right? All right, boom. Just like that. Open, high, low, close. Accumulation, manipulation, distribution, open. This is your weekly open, but this is your daily open too. Open, high, low, liquidity. Take it out, close. Okay, you got, yeah, let's see that. Oh, I forgot. Yeah, I forgot you said you was in that, bro. Let me see that real quick.
Bro, that UCAT trade looks clean. I'm not gonna lie. It looks real clean.
Oh yeah, that's money. That's money, bro. Manipulation, yeah. Daily open, yup. Yeah, that's clean, bro. Good shit. Really nice. I like how you use this order block. Yeah, once we take this out. Actually, I if I were in this trade, my stops would already been moved right here below this low. And then I would have once we take out this high, then I'm broke even. And then you could partial here if you wanted to. And then yeah, your TP right here. Damn, this shit's taking forever to load, bro. So my chart. All right, let me check NAS real quick. Hey, am I lagging y'all whenever I speak? Or is it cool? Hopefully it's cool. Bro, my trading view do not want to load. All right, there we go. Okay, cool. Bruh. Bro, is trading view okay? It's not that deep. I'm about to reload this again, bro. I don't have patience when shit is loading. I swear to God, I do not have patience for it. I'll keep clicking reload. Bro, what is going on? This shit is weird. Shit is hella weird. All right, hold on. Let me stop my share and then reshare. Shit's hella weird, bro. Is y'all trading view loading? Or y'all are y'all trading view cool?
Mine's straight.
I'm about to check NAS on my phone, man. Shit's tripping. Yeah. You talking about for Euro USD, right? What is up with this shit, bro? There we go. Come on. Stop playing with me. It's not that deep. It's not that deep, bro. All right, there we go. Oh my God. Yo. Let me drink some water. Bro, this has never took this long for my trading view to load. Ever. Shit on some crack. My fault, y'all. Give me 1 sec. All right, there we go. Jesus Christ. My annotations ain't even loading. Check NAS real quick. So look at NAS. Shit's so clean. So yeah, I would like to see this order block hold. No. This order block. So you see this hourly order block right here? I want to see this hold. If my annotations would fucking load, bro. Damn. Bro, it's like I'm a gamer, bro. Like I'm a gamer, so like whenever I just see loading, that's I got gaming in my soul. Like when I see loading shit, bro, that shit makes me so mad because I'm like, it's like a loading screen. Yeah, so like this order block right here, I would like to see this whole. So I might take a NAS entry. What time is it? Okay. I might take a NAS entry. Yeah. I'm just scaling down time frames to see how this should look. Yeah.
Uh,
I don't like that stop loss though. I'm gonna ignore the wick, that big ass wick. Yeah. I might not go that far. Might do this instead. Open. At least a 1 to 3. Yeah. Two minutes before this close. I just wish my stops could be up there. That's the only thing I wish. My stops would be inside of above here. Yeah, let's put it above there. All right, where's my phone, bro? I want to see us close below this order block though. Yeah, I'm starting not to like it no more. Let me calculate this 272. Just in case I want to take the 240. All right. EU still fucking playing.
Bro, I know. I'm gonna get you. It just keeps just ranging.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna accept the risk on this trade. If price comes back into this order block, I'll take it. As long as it don't come down into a deep premium. I mean deep discount yet. I want to see it tap into here before it move down. Hopefully my stops is safe right here. I know my stops will be super safe up here, but I don't want no one to two risk reward like that. When we should respect this order block right here in this hourly order block form. Let's see. It's all messy. It's so messy. I got a good amount of profit from last week to play with anyway, so.
Did you ever get payout from funding talent when
Nope.
all the bullshit happened?
Nope.
Damn.
Yeah,
Not
bro.
even the 25% that they was doing.
You said what?
They was doing like 25%. You ain't get that either.
Nah, bro.
Damn. That's
All they
ass,
gave me
bro.
was a refund from my account that I paid for, bro.
Nah, bro. They really was bugging for that. That was wild. I was in the middle of a challenge when all that went down.
For
I
real.
had like 2% to go, and I was like, bro, get the fuck out of here.
Damn, bro. That's just so lame. Yeah, that's just so lame. Yeah, bro, because because I got an FTMO funded account, but I don't like that I can't trade the news like I want to. You feel me? I don't like having that restriction. So I went to Funded Talent while I was trading FTMO. I went to go get a Funded Talent account, got their account first. I'm talking about this is like the first month that I'm trading with them. You feel me? And they do that bullshit. You know what I mean? Like that shit was so ass, bro. Such a setback. Like I was so mad. You don't understand. You don't understand, bro.
But that was like overnight too. Like there was like nothing
Yeah,
that
yeah.
they was like, yeah, we're not doing this no more. Like, bro, what? Like it was tripping.
All right, let me keep track of that's real quick. All right, it's coming up to my entry. Well, I ain't entered yet. Good thing I wasn't watching this shit. I would have straight probably got stopped. I don't like how I went above this order block, bro. I don't like that. Yeah, I'm gonna stay out. I'm staying out in NAS. Not even gonna take it. Just so it's too messy. EU, I probably would have cut half my probably no, not yet. As soon as we take out this high, I'm cutting. Cut. That was it. It's a Monday too. I cut them almost my full position down there. We take out this high.
Yeah, I got my finger on the button right now. I'm just waiting to see what it's going to do.
Because DXY is most likely, yeah, it's trying to come lower to come into a deeper discount. It's almost close to that daily that open 4 hour open. So yeah.
Yeah, I just cut. I had a 3 lot in it. I just cut 2.
Yeah, that's good risk management. I'll get you again. I don't even care if you drop at this point, bro. I would have thought I would have. It didn't close above the order block, so still valid. But like, I would have liked to just see it like just come in and then checked over there. But I know your stops, especially since my stops would be like right here. That's only what I would have seen just to have like, because I know my safe stop would have been on top of here. I'm gonna just chill. See Euro USD. Yeah. Yeah, I would have been completely out this shit. This point. Okay, never mind, not yet. I keep thinking it took out the high. That's what I keep thinking. Oh, it actually did, yeah. Yeah, it did. Yeah, I would be out. So this I half a loss if I took this, not even almost half. Yo, I hope you guys enjoyed that little zoom. It did cut out on me, so you didn't get to hear the final bits and pieces of what I was talking about. But I was just going over a little quick recap of this trade that we were watching. That I was kind of like hindsight managing, and I just want to go over it and how you could take half a loss. You probably already seen it. You don't have to watch this part of the video. You can skip it if you want to. This after that zoom, this is the end. But if you guys want to get a full recap, here you go. So basically, price is inside of this breaker, right? You have FEG, you have this full up candle, right? So this is my area of interest. Okay, price came into there and wicked into it. So I didn't have to put no sell limit, right? Price wicked into it and it came down and created this up candle and this down move right here. So I'm expecting this to be a formed bearish order block, of newly formed bearish order block to potentially hold, okay? Potential bearish order block. So with that being said, you could scale down to the 30-minute and you could have took your entry from right there if you just wanted to. But like, say if you wanted to refine it a little bit more, right? Now, I was looking for a minor structure break, okay, before I did try to take the trade. If this was a rate, only because this is a Monday and I needed a little bit more confirmation, a little bit more, oomph, you know what I'm saying? But like, if this was like a normal day, I would have took it just like this, you know what I'm saying? I would have took it just like this as it came into here, okay? So let's just go over it real quick. So you can refine it to this 30-minute order block if you want, okay? 30-minute order block, newly formed, okay? And price came into that. So when you go into a smaller time frame, you're expecting, like I said, you're expecting that hourly, that 30-minute order block to hold. You go to the 3-minute, right? You need maybe you need a little bit more confirmation. You don't want to take no sell limit inside of there. You want to wait for a little bit more. So as price came into there, okay, it created this up move, and then it created this down move here, okay, right here. This is your highest order right here. So as price came back into there, you could have taken your entry after you see some type of rejection, okay? Take your entry, stops above. Now a lot of people, they'll probably put it right above here, but I like to be conservative and I like to at least give myself a little bit more room to manage my risk when the probabilities aren't in my favor. So with that being said, targets below, stops above. Okay, so now now we have the entry side of things, we have the offensive side of things, right? This is my offense, right? Entry, context, everything is there. Okay, now it's about the defense now. Okay, we got to eliminate the fear, the greed, and the hoping out of our trading. Okay, so through this I need to figure out what can eliminate fear, greed, and hope. Okay, so now you have this up candle, you're expecting this to hold. This is your idea, this is why you took the entry, because you're expecting this to hold. Okay, so if price comes up into it and it rejects and it goes down, yeah, that's good, you want to see it go down. But you see how it started accumulating here a little bit, and then it started moving back up. Now let me remind you, it's a Monday. DXY isn't at the discount that I wanted it to be in. Okay, so DXY is still coming lower. That means EU should possibly move higher. Okay, so with that being said, if price takes out this order block, that's your idea, right? For this to hold, it should hold. Okay, yes, it could wick into it and then not close above it and then keep dropping, right? It could do that. But with everything that's happening with DXY, what's going against us, why not, right? If price takes this out, why not take out half of your position, half of your lots? You have a 1 lot, use a 0.5 a 5 micro lot, or is it mini? I forgot. Mini, whatever. Well, 0.50. Okay, why not use that? Okay, take out half your lot size. Take it out. Half your position. Take it out. Okay, if you don't feel like taking out half your position, if you don't feel like taking out half your position, sometimes you could just take out the full thing. You feel me? And save yourself from a full 1% loss or a 0.70% loss. Now, as long as you're not taking a 1% loss, that's pretty good. You're doing really good with your risk management and you managing your trade. It's no point in taking a 1% loss here, right? When you had a chance to, they gave you a chance to cut down your risk. Okay, so whenever you have that chance on defense, you got to take it. So with that being said, the decision making was the best. So instead of taking a full loss, we took half a loss. And if you didn't cut your full position, because you could keep half of your position in, it could come and wick into this, not close above, and then keep going lower, right? Then you still made a good amount of profit, right? You still will make a 1.5%, whatever your risk reward is, right? You're still making that, right? You're still making a good amount. You know what I mean? So, and then even if you did cut half and price just keeps going against you like this, shit, you could cut more if you want to. You know what I mean? So it's just all about the defensive side of things. People focus more on offense. This is the defense. This is what I tell people all the time. Defense. This is what keeps you in the game, right? Defense. Okay. So I hope you guys learned a little something from this, right? From this. If you like this, go on and steal this. Build a foundation off of it if you need to. You don't have to use this exactly how it is. You feel me? I'm the only person that I know does this, because I'm the one who, kind of created this little plan. You know what I mean? Because I'm comfortable. This is what I'm comfortable with. You feel me? This goes with my personality. So whatever you got to do to figure out what makes you comfortable with managing risks like this, or whatever it is, whatever you're comfortable with, keep doing that. But make sure you have this side of things. You have an offensive side, you need a defensive side. Okay, that's just it. That's just point blank. You know what I mean? This is what's going to keep you in the game. This is going to keep your emotions cool, in check. You know what I'm saying? Managing your trade, managing your risk. All right, so I hope you guys enjoyed the Zoom. I hope you guys enjoyed this little breakdown, this little side video. And I hope you guys enjoy the rest of your week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. If you like this video, go on and like it. And then if you want to share it, you guys can go on and do it. Bro, just share it, bro. Just share it. You know what I mean? For me, you know what I'm saying? But, you don't have to. But yeah, man, I hope you guys in. I'm just gonna do it. All right, peace.